Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Chase to Bancolombia in 2025. With international transfers becoming more common, this step-by-step guide will help you send money smoothly and securely. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you have everything ready. You'll need a Chase account with sufficient funds, the recipient's Bancolombia account details, and a stable internet connection. Remember, in 2025, banking apps have gotten even smarter, so updates might include enhanced security features like biometric verification. Step 1. Log into your Chase account via the mobile app or website. If you're using the app, it's super user-friendly. Just tap the Transfer icon. Next, select the International Transfer option. Chase now supports direct transfers to many banks worldwide, including Bancolombia in Colombia. Step 2. Enter the recipient's information. You'll need their full name, Bancolombia account number, and routing details. Double-check for accuracy to avoid delays or fees. In 2025, you might see new options for real-time exchange rates, so choose your currency wisely, probably Colombian pesos for this transfer. Step 3. Review the transfer details. This includes the amount, any fees, and the estimated delivery time. Chase typically charges a flat fee for international wires, around $35 to $50, plus currency conversion costs. Keep an eye out for the best rates to save money. Step 4. Confirm and authorize the transfer. Use your secure PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID for added protection. Once submitted, you'll get a confirmation email or notification. The money should arrive in Bancolombia's system within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the time of day and any holidays. Finally, after the transfer, monitor your accounts. Check your Chase statement for deductions and ask the recipient to verify receipt. Pro tip. For frequent transfers, look into Chase's international services or third-party apps like Wise for potentially lower fees. There you have it. That's how to transfer money from Chase to Bancolombia in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and we'll see you in the next video.